Vermont Tool Company. Name brand tools with a warranty. Your premium automotive supplier. Helping others worldwide receive tools.
How's it going, everybody? Vermont Tool Company. I have an Intex Deluxe pool skimmer. I know this isn't really about tools, but I wanted to share with you guys this product that I added to my pool. So this is a deluxe skimmer. Right here we have the skimmer installed. I put it on the elbow because that provided the most amount of support, and it allowed to have enough space between where I connected this in and where I hung it. So what this does is it's a basket into there, and it's sucking up all the nasty stuff that's on the top, and this teal piece actually weighs it down, so that way it's just on the top of the water. So while everything's coming over like this, it's going to be sucked into here, and it's going to be able to go into our filter and get pumped back out into the pool. Stay tuned, you guys. We got more pool videos. I'm going to show you all what I did with this, and look out for the next video. See y'all in the next one.